Have you ever gone into Ramadan feeling really held back by a lack of clarity on what to focus on and where to start? Have you ever felt really let down by your depleted levels of physical energy while you're fasting, or you felt drained from, your mental energy just trying to balance all of your busy life on top of those additional demands of Ramadan? Or have you ever suffered from a lack of self-discipline or productivity, motivation or confidence to actually see your Ramadan goals through? Then Ramadan Transformation Week is perfect for you. I'm going to be delivering a really high quality training program, teaching you some really advanced skills and growth strategies from the Quran to help set up your Ramadan for success, inshallah, to make it your best yet. Last year, around 1,000 of you joined us, alhamdulillah, and it was an immense success. We had amazing feedback. So it would be an honor for you to all join us again, inshallah, this time round, where we're going to be taking things even further, inshallah, where we're going to be taking things to that next level. So I am super excited about what we have in store for Ramadan Transformation Week 2020. So please do hit that button, inshallah, and sign up now for free.